Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken parmesan and I'll be using my June oven. Foodies, we are so close to 10,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and help me out. Click subscribe and then tap that bell so you know the next time that I upload a new video. It is greatly appreciated and really helps out my channel. All right, let's get started on this recipe. So I've got some chicken breasts and I am trimming off any excess fat, and I'm using a very sharp knife, and I am very carefully splitting each breast in half. If your breast is really thick, you might even cut it into thirds. Once you've cut up your chicken breasts, go ahead and season them on both sides with salt, pepper, and some Italian spaghetti seasoning blend. If you don't have this seasoning, you can just use regular Italian seasoning. Okay, so next you're going to need some seasoned flour, some seasoned beaten eggs, and some seasoned breadcrumbs. I've got Italian breadcrumbs mixed with some Italian style panko. The panko adds a little extra crunch. So you're going to coat your breast in flour, and then you're going to coat it in the egg, and then finally you're going to coat it in the breadcrumbs. So once your chicken is breaded, go ahead and set that to the side, and now it's time to heat up your oil. So you want enough oil in your pot to go up about a 1/4 inch high. And you're going to cook your chicken on medium-high heat about 5 minutes per side until they're nice and golden brown. Don't want to fry your chicken in oil? I do have an air fryer version available on my channel. Allow your cooked chicken to drain on a rack or a paper towel lined pan. While my chicken was cooking, I sliced some fresh mozzarella and I warmed up my mozzarella sauce. Now it's time to transfer the chicken to a baking dish. I went ahead and sprayed my pan with some cooking spray so the cheese wouldn't stick. And then I topped the chicken with some marinara sauce. I then added the mozzarella slices, followed by some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and then a little bit of parsley. And now your chicken parmesan is ready for the oven. I preheated my oven to 375 and I baked the chicken parmesan for 20 to 25 minutes. Here's what it looks like when it was all done. So now all I had to do was serve it up, and I served this chicken parmesan over some spaghetti, and it was so good. So what do you think? Leave a comment down below and let me know if you plan on giving this a try. And if you like this recipe, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you still haven't subscribed, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know when I upload, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen.